When everybody with a smartphone can call themselves a photographer, making money by selling images can seem difficult. However, establishing your niche and growing your audience are the keys to success in this area. Several apps now allow you to sell your images for money. These apps let you sell your photographs in their marketplace. However, not all apps are created equal, some are superior to others. The actual question is, which app is best for selling photos? I've compiled a list of 9 of the finest photo selling apps to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started on our list. Before we proceed, I would appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my future videos. 1. Foap. Foap has a lot of excellent feedback, and it's a free app that works on both iOS and Android. The software allows you to upload your images and sell them on the Foap marketplace when you sign up. The approval procedure at Foap is based on member feedback. Every time you upload a photo, you must rate 5 user photo entries. You'll need favorable ratings from other users for your photos to be accepted. Download the app and create an account to begin earning money with Foap. After that, you may either upload or capture images directly from the app. A minimum resolution of 1280 by 960 pixels is required for each image. The profit is split 50-50 between you and the app. 2. Shutterstock. With over 180 million pictures, vectors, and clips, Shutterstock is another prominent brand in the photo selling market. The microstock site has paid out $1 billion to contributors since its debut. Anyone interested in photography is welcome to join Shutterstock. Although the income is poor, you can still make some money on the side. This is a great program to use if you're just getting started. The payout is typically 15 to 40% of the sale price. If you want to earn more money, you can use Shutterstock's affiliate network to refer your friends. 3. Stockimo. The Stockimo app is used by many marketing firms, small businesses, and huge enterprises to purchase photographs for their websites. Every picture sold earns you a fee, and the program allows you to keep the copyright to your work. The community reviews the photographs, and you must have a score of at least 2 to sell your photo, just like on Foap. The main disadvantage of Stockimo is that you only get a 20% commission on each transaction. 4. Scoopshot. Scoopshot is another excellent photo selling software. The program works a little differently than the others on this list in that it hosts a daily contest that recognizes and awards exceptional users. One feature that sets Scoopshot apart is the ability to choose your own sales prices. This manner, you can account for the time and effort you put into capturing the photos, as well as the value you assign to each one. Companies can look for images based on a person's name, location, or genre. You must mention your location and experience, as well as a portfolio of at least 9 recently taken images, in order to sell faster. 5. Snapwire. Snapwire, like the other applications, allows you to make money from your love of photography. This challenge-based software is stringent on photo quality, unlike most generic photo marketplaces. The app, which has over 200,000 users, allows you to submit photographs that are tailored to the buyer's requirements. Snapwire gives you 50% of any photo sold on the marketplace or through your own page. Requests and challenges can help you earn more money. 6. IM. With IM, you can take a photo, upload it, and sell it. IM was created with the user in mind. If you don't have access to the internet, you can still shoot photos and keep them in your app. The photographs will be instantly synced and uploaded once you are connected. This could be the best app for selling photos, with prices ranging from $20 to $250. 7. 2020. To sell your images, create your own personal internet gallery. Each photo you sell earns you $2, and you can sell the same shot multiple times. You may earn more money and prizes by participating in photo challenges. If a company appreciates your work, you can earn 100% of the agreed-upon commission. 8. Adobe Stock. One of the finest ways to sell your images is through Adobe Stock. Lightroom Classic, Bridge, Premiere Pro, and the mobile app Photoshop Mix all allow you to import photographs, videos, vectors, and graphics directly. You agree to a non-exclusive deal with Adobe that is not mentioned. The photographs you take are your own, and you can sell them elsewhere. Adobe can help you convert your interest into a profitable company, whether it's capturing the newest cuisine or filming underwater. 9. Bylined. The images you take with your iPhone on a daily basis have genuine value. Bylined is a smartphone app that connects companies and businesses with their customers, allowing them to book a photo shoot on demand. With just one simple step, uploading your favorite photo to Byline's free mobile app or website, they'll link you with advertisers looking for original content from future consumers like you. Because you're likely to have your smartphone with you at all times, it's a wonderful tool for capturing photo chances and earning money. You can snap some incredible photos with today's phone cameras, which are more capable than ever. If you believe I missed an app from our list of the best apps to sell images, please let me know in the comments section below. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.